says, or Saghar, is it possible to know who has done black magic on you? There isn't, to my knowledge, any machine or a device that you can hook up in a patient and it tells you that reading and analyzes the system that this man has like 3 jinn possession, 1 male, 2 females, and 3 of them are Jews. And it cannot tell you that you have evil eye or envy, and it cannot tell you that you have black magic done for you in Transylvania, in Romania, for example, or whatever. There isn't anything like this to my knowledge. So the only way that you can know that you have black magic on you, one is by angels coming and telling you, as happened to the Prophet ﷺ. And of course, after the Prophet is dead, ﷺ, angels don't come to us and tell us anything. The second way is that a person claims to know the future, or his jinn ask him to worship it, and he does, and they sneak and leak some information about what had happened to that person. And this is shirk. Seeking the help of jinn and claiming that you can unveil what is unseen to you, this is shirk. So nowadays you cannot, and you don't need to. So many people have cut their kinship, severed their kinship with their uncles, with their siblings, some with even their parents, because they went to a soothsayer and they told them that your father did this, your mother did that, your cousin, etc. And they believe that. And this is totally prohibited. It renders your prayer of 40 days unaccepted if you just go for the fun of it. But if you believe what they're saying to be the truth, this nullifies your Islam totally. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.